After tensioning the blade, you want to make sure that the blade position on the wheels inside is set so that the gullet of the blade teeth is aligned with the middle of the wheel as it is here. You don't want the blade to be in the middle of the wheel, you want the gullet of the teeth to be in the middle of the wheel. Some helpful parts of the anatomy of a bandsaw you need to know. This is the fence, and you can adjust it by loosening that and moving it to the position you need to. If the part you're cutting isn't very tall, you want to flip around the fence by loosening the nuts on the back, rotating it, and then installing it back in and tightening up the fence. When it comes time to cut, you want to adjust the guard to match the height of the part you're cutting with. You do that by loosening this knob here in the back, and then by turning this wheel so that the guard is just above the part that you're cutting on. Once you're done and ready to lock into place, turn this wheel to put it back into its secure position. I'm going to grab the dust tube out of the wood room and then stretch it over to the bandsaw and then connect it to its dust port. When using the bandsaw, you want to make sure you have protective eyewear and ear protection. With the vacuum connected in the back, you shouldn't need a mask to operate the bandsaw. Next, take a moment to inspect the cable to ensure that it is completely free of any nicks or damage. Now you're ready to plug in the bandsaw. Once the bandsaw is plugged in, you can turn on the vacuum, shop vac, to remove all the fine particles as you cut. You'll notice that there's a green light that turns on when you turn on the machine. To turn on the machine, you pull the red part out. That turns on the bandsaw, and when you're done, you push it in. Now you're done.